And TRK got shorted around our box, the 97. We'll discuss it in our Jesus watch list for today, and we said the price will get rejected around this box, and we're gonna have a bit of hold up and reversal around the 63. We even went down further below this support. We already hunted for it around our live streaming, and we spotted the short sellers right around this box in our live streaming. 4K. Oh man, there's a huge seller there. So the short seller know it. If the price overcome this box, we could have actually went toward the $1.24. We already hunted for this price. We're gonna have a test for the 50. Right now it's unhalted. 50 cents, we should have a hold. If we broke it, I don't like it. Now we have a reaction. Okay, price actually pumping. Let's take a bit of profit here. After this, we're gonna see a pullback, okay? Be careful. We're gonna see a huge pullback. So what we suggest here, we have to take profit before the 80 cents. Here, we're gonna have another rejection, okay? Here, we're gonna have another rejection. We're gonna discuss where the bottom and where we're gonna have another squeeze for TRKA. Next up, we got UNCY. We already discussed it in our watch list for today and Jesus watch list. Of course, we discussed TRK, UNCY, and other stocks on our watch list. We said there's a potential squeeze from the $1.49. It triggers when the market open. You see, when we said here, this is a breakout zone, and we're gonna have a breakout if we hold this gap for today, and we're gonna have the $1.90. This is what happened for UNCY. The price tested this breakout zone and went directly to our profit taking, the $1.96. And see what's happened. $1.96 triggered profit taking, boom, price went down. AM going back to our bottom, the $9, after we hit the $11 profit taking. We're gonna discuss if there's potential reversal from this bottom. And of course, we have to discuss AMC because the price is still continuing to go down, the $5.90. ABE is still consolidate in this bearish channel trending down. We're going to discuss where the bottom and where we're going to have a reversal from this bearish channel. And of course, we're going to discuss Tesla because Tesla have the same reaction as for ABE, trending down from this descending channel. So let's get right to it and discuss first TRKA. Financial for TRKA, we see it clearly the first quarter in this year have a profit margin in 1%. So this is a big improvement fundamental wise for TRKA. We have net income of 1.27 million. Revenue is almost 120 million. So the revenue and the earnings kind of good for TRKA. But here, the reaction that happened here when we spotted the short seller, this is not fundamental, but short attack. That's why the price actually went down, almost 40% down after we got rejected there. So that's why we suggest to always exit with a profit where the price will go from now. As we can see, the 50 cent it tested twice, and now we have a dip from the 50 cents. So this is a weakness. The price might continue to go down as long as we are below the box. As we said, this area is a resistant area between the 63 and the 67 because we have a huge wick here and the price got shorted. So what we should expect, if the price is still continue to consolidate below this box, is may continue to go down toward the 35. So watch out. This is where the short seller adds some position after they shorted here. The first squeeze for TRKA and have a reversal is breaking this box, holding above it in order to continue toward the 80 and the $1. Otherwise, as we said, we're gonna have a continuation down toward the 35 cent where we're gonna have a genuine buying pressure like what happened here when we tested the 50 cent. Next up on our list, we got UNCY. We already hunted for this on our watch list for today, and we spotted this breakout on our live streaming, and the price, we got a bit of drawback here, but the price continued to go higher toward the $1.96. Last support that we discussed it yesterday, it was $1.15. If you remember our video, we already discussed this price action. We said the $1.15 is the bottom and support for this stock. We held it, we accumulate, then we broke this level for today and we squeezed. We got AM 27% down. Yesterday it was over 100% or almost 70%. We had our first profit taken around the 11 and the price went down. Now we have a test again for the support around the $9. If we broke this level, we're gonna have sell off once again. So if we broke this level, continue toward this bottom, the $7.39, which we should hold in a big picture. In the big picture, we're still holding this bullish trending channel. You see here? So even if we go toward the 73, there's a potential potential reversal from this area, accumulate, then continue toward the 11 and 12 once again. So the best case scenario holding now around the 9, breaking the 10 and going toward the 12. Next up, we got AMC and APE. We got many questions for those two stocks because, as everybody knows, AMC is squeezed before and we have a huge pump up, or almost 30%. The price gave up, got rejected around the $8.50, and we got shorted once again almost 30%. So we give all profit back for AMC. That's why we suggest to take profit on the way around the 7, around the 8. Now the price go down. So where's the support? The price is going down toward the $5.92. We might see this test for this week, so watch out for this level of support, the $5.90. If we held it, we're gonna do double bottom, and if we held it, is mean continuation higher and test the resistance at current resistance around the $6.36. If we broke the $5.90 and close below this red line, is mean continuation lower toward the $5. Next up, we got APE still down trending in this flag. First sign of weakness when we broke this level around the 8th of February. The price went down, then enter another bearish channel here. And this is a longer one. You see what's happened? The price entered in this channel and is still consolidating down. So we might see a reversal from this bottom, the $1.55, then breaking this flag around the $2. This would be initiation for a pump once again toward the $2.70. Let's us watch Tesla. You see what's happened here? Every time we're getting near the 180, the price getting bought back very quick. This is really important because if we test the 180 and we have a bounce, then testing this descending channel from above, we're gonna have continuation toward the 163. For my opinion, 163 would be a really great bounce and confirmation for a reversal from there after we break this descending channel. So we have two levels. This level support and this level as a resistance. If we broke this resistance from above, is mean game on and continuation toward the 217, and we're gonna test the 235. If we're still consolidating below this bearish channel, is mean we'll test from above every time, then breaking the support and continue toward the 163 for Tesla. And of course, we're gonna do live streaming tomorrow as usual around 3 p.m. CET, and we're gonna do short date analysis for Trka and the other stock that have potential to squeeze in the pre-market, because sometimes we have a huge pump for those stocks in pre-market. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.